No, thanks. I don't need more coffee. I'm already wired. Hello and welcome back to CTAC Studios. My name is Justin, and today we're going to clarify the difference between wired, wireless, and hybrid control systems. So, a wired control system, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's got wires. In fact, it is wired throughout the entire system. What does that mean? Well, it means that I'm utilizing something like this Cat5 cable, or maybe say an 18.2 cable here to build out a backbone. In other words, connect all of my devices together using wire. So if you notice, there's a big difference between these two cables, right? This Cat5 cable has a ton of different wires on it, whereas this 18.2 has much less. Here at CTAC, we prefer to design to the 18.2 system. Why? Because there's less connections, less room for error, and really just less problems overall. I don't want to be handing a bunch of these cables to my guys in the field and telling them to land all the connections correctly. I'd much rather just give them 2 wires. That's it. So with a wireless system then, you guessed it, we don't need these. A wireless system simply means that our communication from device to device happens wirelessly instead of needing a wired connection to make that communication. So some of the reasons that people might want to use wireless is obviously saving time on installation. The less wired connections you have to make, the less labor there is to install. Plus, with a wireless system, I can use devices that utilize batteries. The reason people are moving to wireless systems more often than wired is because there's easier integration, there's less labor to make up your connections, and there's far more flexibility in the field. Let's say a customer wants to adapt their project. They can do that because they don't have to wire a bunch of devices together. They can just move around their wireless devices. So a hybrid system then combines the best of both worlds, wired and wireless, into one system, utilizing the best of the wired features and the best of the wireless features. That really just allows me to make wireless without batteries connections possible. Utilizing low voltage cable, sometimes even line voltage to my devices, I can still communicate wirelessly from device to device, but I can also utilize the wired capabilities to avoid using such things as batteries in the field. Some customers really like that feature. So how do you figure out which system is best for your project? Ultimately, that's going to come down to the size of the project and really what the customer needs. Your best option is to reach out to CTAC Lighting Controls, where we have a super group of controls experts ready to help you pick the right system for your project. Well, now that you're a certified controls expert, please reach out to your CTAC sales representative if you have any more questions. And as always, thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you don't miss any future videos.